Hey friends, today we're gonna draw a gross dessert.
Yeah, broccoli inside of an ice cream cone with chocolate and a cherry on top.
Yeah.
And sprinkles. This actually looks kind of good.
It kind of does, but at the
Not
same
really.
time, not really.
Yeah.
Not a good combo.
Now we're using our markers to draw and color with, but you could use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's first draw the cone for our broccoli. We're gonna draw a line down here that goes across the middle of our paper. And then let's turn it into a rectangle shape. We're gonna draw two short lines down on each side, and then we'll connect them across the bottom. Now let's draw the bottom of the cone. We're gonna draw two more lines, but kind of diagonal. They're coming in closer towards the bottom. And then down here, we can connect those together too. There's our little ice cream cone. Okay, now let's draw the broccoli inside. We're gonna draw it coming out of the top of the cone. I'm gonna draw it kind of an S curve. So it curves out and then back in and then kind of back out towards the top. Yes, and then we can draw the top of the broccoli. We're gonna draw a bumpy line coming across. I'm drawing some of the bumps big. It actually looks like we're drawing water waves.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and then we can also draw the little stem or the branches on our broccoli. I'm gonna draw little letter U's underneath that water line. Yes, okay, now let's draw the top of our broccoli or the tree part. We're gonna draw bumpy lines now or a big cloud line going around. And I'm gonna stop about here. I'm not gonna go all the way to the other side. Then let's come back over here on this side and draw, oh, it didn't come out as far. That's okay. It looks more natural now. I'm gonna stop and we'll leave space here so that we can draw the cherry. We're gonna draw a curve. I'm gonna start here. I'm trying to draw it in the middle. Then we're gonna draw the stem coming out. And then we're gonna draw another curve going through the stem, going down. Yes, and then we're gonna draw the rest of the cherry curving around and then connecting back into the other side. Yes. Okay, next we can connect the rest of the broccoli into the cherry. This is really gross.
Yeah.
Now let's add the chocolate syrup to the top of our broccoli. I'm gonna start right here on this little bump. And I'm gonna draw the drips for the chocolate. So I'm gonna draw kind of a small one and then going into a bigger one. And then we could draw a small one. So we wanna mix it up so that all the drips don't look exactly the same. And I'm gonna add maybe some other drips over here and then connect into this bump over here. Okay, we're almost done, but we still need to add a funny face to our broccoli. I'm gonna draw a little smile and then eyes. I'm gonna draw an oval and you can change the funny face. I'm gonna draw an oval over here. And sometimes we like leaving a highlight in the eyes, but this time I'm just gonna color it in. Are you gonna change yours?
Yeah, a little bit.
I always love it when you add a mustache to your funny face, especially when it curls on the sides. Now we still need to color our drawings. This part we'll fast forward, so pause the video and take time to color your drawings. We did it! We finished coloring our drawings and they turned out awesome.
Yeah.
I especially love all the little sprinkles you added.
Yeah, and I like the cherry we added on top.
Yeah, with the little highlight, it makes it shiny.
Yeah. You also added shading and it makes it look more 3D.
Yeah, but you could leave it off to keep the lesson a little easier. I also added pink cheeks, but our art friends could add even more things.
Yeah.
Like a full background, or maybe yourself getting ready to eat the gross ice cream. This, maybe you wouldn't want to eat.
Yeah, maybe not. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a gross dessert with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.